While the system vacuums down, I wanted to share some information with you. First up is the part number of the gauges that I've been using in my shop for several years. I'm not a professional by any stretch of the imagination, just sharing what I've had great luck with. Next is an image of the sheet that comes with the gauge set that references their ambient temperature and the readings that will come up on your gauges when the system is operating correctly. Next is an image of the gauges so that you can reference back to those ambient temperatures and the pressures if you're unfamiliar with how the gauges read on an HVAC system gauge set. All right, we pulled a vacuum on it. All right, so we pulled a vacuum on it, and just because I have them sitting in the cabinet, we are going to use these cans to pressure this thing up and see what happens. Hop in.